Wimbledon woman Emma Rogers was sick of people polluting the oceans. So she has decided to row the Pacific to help raise awareness about the issue. Ms. Rogers said it would be a test of a lifetime. "What's happening in our oceans is breaking our hearts," she said. "My passion is to reduce the prolific use of single-use plastics which contaminate our oceans, and rowing through the North Pacific Gyre will give me first-hand experience of just how serious the problem is. Small actions we each can take add up to big changes. Together we as residents and businesses can make that change become real. Make a tangible impact. Join." On the same day, Sustainable Merton holding a campaigning stunt at Morden Hall Park in conjunction with Ms. Rogers' efforts. This too will look to highlight the scale of the pollution problem.